So a project manager starts off with once we get a purchase order from the customer and we have that client customer approval, and then we go ahead and get all of the submittals or any equipment that's needed ordered and started to get the ball rolling on the project. From there, we then manage anything from factory lead times to schedules that the customer needs the equipment. Really anything from that time of purchase order to the end of the job. Taskbridge has really helped out with just keeping things organized, keeping things in place, but also being able to kind of edit and sort your priorities. And while I may have 200-something projects going on, I can really funnel it down to those 20 that need that certain attention at that moment. One of the hardest parts, kind of toughest parts, when I first got onboarded, I really noticed that it was hard to track and maintain all of the inventory units. So TaskBridge has really helped. I have a couple different ways I've started to tackle the inventory management with the tool, and I've really found ways to optimize for both the sales managers and then also for my purposes as well, how to keep those maintained and really track and make sure that everything's visible. Another tough point for the project managers is having to deal with mass factory reschedules and big delays with mass amounts of units. And the tool's really been a help savior point for this, because we're able to easily track in those new dates, and then once we change that field, it'll even generate an automatic email and send that out to the customers. Another key point about the tool that I love is that TaskBridge keeps everything all in one place. As a project manager, you are talking to all different parts of the business, and you're really could be in a lot of different softwares, but using TaskBridge, it's kind of centralized all of that so that I'm able to see exactly what the inside sales teams quoted, be able to check all of their documents and confirm everything's entered correctly, whereas also being able to check and track from our ERP service all of the financials and everything that I need to do. So I truly live in TaskBridge all day, every day, and it's made just so much easier to not have to click in and out of different windows and really just have everything in one place.